Welcome to Concept Craft. We are presenting step-by-step videos training to crack your certification exam, so you can gain the confidence to take on any accounting challenge. Now let's begin our today's lesson. Basic reporting options. Learning outcomes. In this lesson, we'll cover running basic report types in QuickBooks Online. Topics: summary and detail reports. Other report types. Running quick reports. Exploring the company dashboard. Creating insight. With QuickBooks Online, clients have a variety of reporting options to give them precise and timely information on their business performance. Clients can run reports to get overview data, such as a simple statement of gross profit. They can also get detailed reports that show a breakdown of individual transactions in a particular period. What's more challenging for clients is determining which report is the best option for their particular needs. This is where you come in. How can you and QuickBooks Online help? The Reports Center in QuickBooks Online is designed to help clients find the reports they need by browsing reports by category or using the search function. Clients can also run quick reports to get rapid insight into specific areas of their business. In this lesson, we'll look at the main types of reports available in QuickBooks Online and how clients can run them. To get the most out of this lesson, we recommend you first work through the one on the Reports Center. Summary and detail reports. QuickBooks Online offers clients a range of report types, all of which can be filtered and customized. Two of the most frequently used types are summary and detail reports. Select each question to explore these report types in more detail. What information can you get from a summary report? Summary reports show the aggregate total of all transactions for a list name. They give your client an overall view of financial information for a reporting period, without them having to look at all the details. Two examples of summary reports that clients should be familiar with are the Profit and Loss Report and the Balance Sheet Report. The Profit and Loss Report summarizes the financial activity associated with each income or expense account for a specific period of time. This will indicate whether your client is operating at a profit or a loss. The balance sheet summarizes the financial position of a business at a single moment in time. It reflects whether the assets the business owns are enough to offset its liabilities and leave a net equity balance after the liabilities have been paid off. What other summary reports are available? Other examples of summary reports in QuickBooks Online include Sales by Customer Summary. Displays total sales recorded for the period for each customer. Accounts Receivable, A/R, Aging Summary. Summarizes the status of unpaid invoices. Accounts Payable, A/P, Aging Summary. Summarizes the status of unpaid bills and unapplied vendor credits. Trial Balance. Displays the balance as of the report date for all balance sheet accounts and a summary of activity during the reporting period for income and expense accounts. Customer Balance Summary. Shows each customer a total of their open balance in accounts receivable. Vendor Balance Summary. Displays each vendor with an open balance in accounts payable and the open balance amount. Inventory Valuation Summary. Lists each inventory item along with the SKU, stock keeping unit, quantity on hand, asset value, and calculated average cost per unit. What information can you get from a detail report? As the name implies, detail reports provide detailed information about transactions. As well as summary transactions, detail reports contain individual transactions, which provides a second layer of detailed information about customers, vendors, expenses, and more. Detail reports list each transaction. They allow you or your clients to drill down into any individual transactions, open them, and review and possibly edit or delete them. Most summary reports have corresponding detail reports. For example, you can run a profit and loss detail report and a balance sheet detail report. Here is an example of a profit and loss detail report. Other examples of detail reports include Transaction Detail by Account lists all transactions for a period summarized by account. This report is the detailed version of the Trial Balance Report. Accounts Payable, A/P, Aging Detail. Accounts Receivable, A/R, Aging Detail. Sales by Customer Detail. Vendor Balance Detail. You can customize a detail report by most fields used in the transaction. How do you run a detail report from a summary report? You can run a detailed report from the report center the same way you'd run any report available there. However, in many cases, you can also run a corresponding detail report from a summary report by selecting the final figure at the bottom of the report. For instance, choosing any of the amounts in the total row of the A/P aging summary report shown below. We'll open the A/P aging detail report for this period. When should you use a summary report versus a detail report? Here are a couple of common use cases for whether a summary or a detailed report would be the most appropriate report type to run. Requirement. Report type. For example, to get an overall view of financial information for a reporting period without looking at all the details. Summary. If a client wanted to quickly see how each of their product and service items is performing, they would run a sales by product/service summary report. To analyze the makeup of a balance in a summary report. Detail. If a client wanted to see which of their customers had purchased a specific product/service item, they would run a sales by product/service detail report. Other report types in QuickBooks Online. Other report types that you and your clients can run from the report center include list and aging reports. You and your clients can also run special reports elsewhere in QuickBooks Online. Select the headings to explore list, aging, and special reports. List reports. Aging reports. Special reports. List reports. List reports, such as the account list or the product/service list, show detailed information about the list items. These reports allow you to display additional fields associated with that list. Note, to add these additional fields to the report, use the Customize button or the grid gear icon. Some list reports, such as the customer contact list, can be grouped by various criteria, such as billing zip code. They have customization options appropriate for lists but no column totals or customization options for general, aging, or groupings/subtotals. When should your clients use list reports? Clients can use list reports if they want a report related to one of their centers, such as the sales center, but they don't need to see transactions. One advantage of using a list report is that clients can customize and filter to see what they want. They can then save the customization to rerun the same report type. Running quick reports. A quick report displays all activity for an account, along with a running balance for the period. You and your clients can run a quick report from the relevant account in the chart of accounts, or the products and services list. There are also some specific reports that you can run from the relevant center, for example, sales tax reports from the sales tax center. Use the questions below to discover how to run and use quick reports. How do you run a quick report from the chart of accounts? To run a quick report from the chart of accounts, go to the action column for the account in question. If it says Run Report in the Action column, select this link. If it says View Register, open the drop-down and select Run Report. The quick report gives a breakdown of transactions and /out of the account in the period specified. Clients can customize the report as they can for most reports in QuickBooks Online. How do you run a quick report from the products and services list? You can run a quick report for an item in the products and services list by selecting Run Report from the down arrow in the Action column. A quick report on a product/service item shows the transaction history for that item in the selected period. Where else can you find links to run quick reports? Clients can also run specific reports from certain centers in QuickBooks Online. For example, in the Cash Flow Center, there is an option to run quick reports for Open Invoices, Invoice List, Sales by Customer Detail. Another example is the Sales Tax Center, where clients can run the quick reports shown here. Exploring the company dashboard. Besides the Reports Center, clients can gain immediate insight from the dashboard in QuickBooks Online. The dashboard has two tabs, which offer an easy-to-digest financial summary for the business. Select each tab title to find out more. Get Things Done. Business Overview. Get Things Done. The Get Things Done tab provides quick links to areas of the client's QuickBooks company to key workspaces. Links are presented in a task-based format to help clients follow workflows and carry out activities as required. Business Overview. The Business Overview tab offers clients a useful overview of their business's point-in-time financial position. Sections are laid out to allow clients to spot issues as they emerge easily. Summing up. Learning outcomes. Well done. In this lesson, we covered running basic report types in QuickBooks Online. Knowledge recap. QuickBooks Online has a wealth of tools to give you and your clients a thorough insight into their business. You can now help your clients choose the best reports to address their reporting needs, and advise them how to get the most from QuickBooks Online's powerful reporting capabilities. Next steps. In the next lesson, we'll look at the profit and loss and balance sheet reports.